Good morning, all of you. In last practical, I have discussed the gram staining. Today, we will see the next practical, that is to carry out the isolation of pure culture by the use of streak plate technique. So, what is aim of this practical or aim of today's practical? That is to carry out isolation of pure culture by the use of streak plate technique. We will see first introduction about this practical. The microorganisms are isolated from various substrate or the various sources. For example, soil, air, soil, air, then fresh water, sea water, then food or the body surface. These are the few sources of microorganisms. The microbes in nature are found in mixed population, and in the laboratory this population can be separated into pure culture. Yes, what I am saying, these microbes in the nature are found in mixed populations, and in the laboratory this population can be separated into the pure culture. And it is possible to study the different characters of microbes like micro morphological characteristics, then cultural, then biochemical, then serological and genetic characteristics with the help of pure culture. Yes, it is possible to study the different characters of microbes, for example, morphological, cultural, biochemical, then serological and genetic character with the help of technique, that with the help of pure cultures. In pure culture technique, the colonies are individual, isolated and visible masses and representing the multiplication of single organism. A culture that contains only one kind of microorganism is called as pure culture. There are two different terminology, that is pure culture and mixed culture. So what is pure culture? A culture that contains only one kind of microorganism is called as what? Is called as pure culture. And a culture which contains more than one kind of microorganism is called as or is known as mixed culture. So these are the two different terminologies, that is pure culture and mixed culture. Then the techniques to obtain the pure culture. There are different techniques. We will see the classification of these different techniques. First, common methods, and second, special methods. In common method, it is again subdivided. First, that is streak plate method, pour plate method, spread plate method and roll tube method. Yes, in common method, first streak plate method, then pour plate method, third spread plate method, and fourth, that is roll tube method. In special methods, first single cell isolations, then enrichment method, then selective media method, and fourth, that is differential method. Yes, in special method, first that is single cell isolation method, then enrichment method, then selective media method, and fourth, that is differential method. Then the pure cultures are mainly studied by following tests such as colony characteristics, then morphology. Yes, the pure cultures are mainly studied by use of different tests, that is colony characteristics. First test, that is colony characteristic, then morphology, third biochemical test, then staining reaction, then immunological reactions. Then the most microbiological laboratories usually maintain the large collection of pure cultures as well as the subcultures of authentic species purchased from a various culture collection centers. For example, there are different culture collection centers. First, capital ATCC, that is American Type Culture Collection. Then capital NCIB. So what is NCIB? That is National Collection of Industrial Bacteria, Scotland. Then National Collection Type of Culture. Then England. Then National Chemical Laboratory and India. These are the few collection centers of various cultures. So this is all about introductory part. Then we will see the requirement of this practical. In that, first cultures, that is E. coli, then Bacillus subtilis or any other soil isolated culture. Then chemicals, beef extract or yeast extract, then peptone, then sodium chloride, then agar and alcohol. So what are the cultures? First, E. coli or the Bacillus subtilis or any other soil isolated culture. Then chemicals, peptone, then yeast extract or beef extract, then sodium chloride, then agar and alcohol. Then apparatus, autoclave, hot air oven, balance and pH meter. So these are the requirements. Next, that is principle. The microbial culture is inoculated with the help of nichrome wire loop over the surface of solidified agar. In principle, first, the microbial culture is inoculated with the help of nichrome wire loop or the nichrome loop over the surface of solidified agar. Then stick plate technique are used for the cultivations, isolations and separation of microorganism from mixed population. Keep in mind, yes, this stick plate technique is used for cultivations, isolations and separations of microorganism from the mixed population. Then it is used to produce well separated distinguished colonies of bacteria from mixed suspension, so that size, shape, color and other physical characteristics of isolated colonies can be easily studied. Then the one stick plate, two stick plate and four stick plate are commonly used technique for isolation of pure culture. Yes, what are those commonly used techniques? First, that is one stick plate, then two stick plate and four stick plate. These are the commonly used techniques for the isolation of culture. Then we will see the procedure. First, the prepare nutrient agar. First, prepare the nutrient agar and sterilized by use of autoclave at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 IBS pressure for 15 minutes and pour the medium into petri plate carefully. Next step, rotate the petri plate to allow the uniform distribution of medium. Then rotate the plate in order to allow the uniform distribution of medium and these then solidify. Then all procedures should be carried out in aseptic condition in order to avoid the contamination. All procedures should be carried out in aseptic condition in order to avoid contamination. Then take a small amount of bacterial inoculum. By nichrome wire loop from a agar slant or the agar plate, then carefully lift the lid and streak the culture on the agar medium. Then streak the culture as the first zone by using inoculum and sterilize after streaking. Then sterilization of inoculating loop is carried out by holding in the sterilization of inoculating loop is carried out by holding it in the flame of burner. This technique of sterilization is known as incineration. Then sterilization of loop is carried out to destroy the culture present on the nichrome wire loop. Yes, what is the need of sterilization of loop? Because the loop in order to destroy the cultures present on wire loop. Then the streaking is a second zone. The streaking in second zone is carried out by taking the culture from the fourth zone. Then the sterilized inoculating loop is touched to first streaking zone to receive the culture, and streaking is carried out in second zone. Again sterilize the inoculating loop. Then third zone is prepared using second zone, while fourth zone is prepared with the help of third zone. Then finally sterilize the wire loop. Then different techniques of streaking may be performed on different petri plates by using same inoculum and incubate the petri plate. So this is the procedure. Next, that is observation and result. The effect of different technique of streaking on the growth and the separation of colonies may be observed. It is observed that well-developed and isolated colonies have developed at the fourth zone of streak. So this is all about the introduction, principle, requirements, procedure and observation and result of this practical. Then we will see the question based on this practical. First, what is streak plate technique? Yes, it is the isolation, it is the technique that the isolation of microorganism on solid surface of agar. The isolation of microorganism on solid surface of agar is called as streak plate technique. Then why streak plate technique is carried out? To study the size, the shape, and color and other physical characteristics of isolated colonies. Then what is pure culture? It is the culture that contain only one kind of organism, that is or is called as pure culture. And then what is mixed culture? It is the culture which contain different types of microorganism is called as mixed culture. Then next question is what is selective media? The selective media is the type of media that favors the growth of specific microorganism over the others. Next question. What are the different techniques that are used for obtaining the pure culture? Or what are the different techniques that are used for obtaining the pure culture? Or what are the different methods? First, common method, and second, special method. In common method, first that is streak plate method, pour plate method, third spread plate method, and last that is roll tube method. In special method, single cell isolation, then engagement method, then selective media method, and last that is differential method. So these are the different techniques that are used for obtaining the pure culture. So this is all about this practical, that is to carry out the isolation of pure culture by using the streak plate technique. I will stop here. Next practical we will see in next lecture. Next practical.